There were two sections that were under annuity, which were problematic. The section from MADOGASHE to Samatar, and the section from Ramo to Mandera, 67 kilometers and another 75 kilometers. I now can report to you that we have not only terminated the annuity program by mutual agreement with those who have been awarded, but we have also negotiated and agreed with the World Bank that they are going to finance those two sections as well. The cabinet is going to approve shortly, and then we will do the procurement so that by February, those sections will also be part of the construction of that road all the way. I want to oversee, God willing, in my term, at least that 410 and 750, almost 1,100 kilometers built in this region. The longest road ever built by any administration in Kenya.